Hi friends, today's first business standard editorial is titled Manufacturing Push, and it is talking about the BHAVYA scheme that the government has recently approved. Union Cabinet in March 2026 approved the BHAVYA scheme, that is Bharat Audyogik Vikas Yojana, which would develop 100 plug-and-play industrial parks across India. This would promote India's manufacturing base, create jobs, and improve the ease of doing business. What is BHAVYA scheme? It is a 33,660 crore central scheme to develop 100 plug-and-play industrial park across India, each size between 100 to 1,000 acres. It is implemented by National Industrial Corridor Development Corporation under Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade across different states and union territories. The total project will be spread over a massive 33,000 acres and it will be implemented more than 6 years. Single window clearance system is its highlight, where the interested company in the industrial park, in this plug and play industrial park, can get all the necessary approvals in one place instead of running between departments, essentially cutting red tape. The government also provides financial assistance of up to 1 crore per acre, which will be for developing the core infrastructure such as internal roads, underground facilities, drainage, sewage, etc. Up to 25% of the project will be supported for external connectivity infrastructure also. The parks will follow green energy norms, underground utility corridors, and no dig maintenance to reduce disruption. What is a plug and play industrial park? It essentially means where all the basic infrastructure is already built and ready, so a company can simply plug in, that is, occupy and start operating quickly without having to build roads, power lines, water, sewage, etc. from the scratch. But as you saw in the previous slide, the government provides 1 crore per acre to build these core infrastructure. So we can say that in BHAVYA scheme, rather than providing a full-fledged plug and play ecosystem, the government actually provides a financial assistance to make it plug and play in the first place. Successful plug and play industrial parks existing already in India includes Dholera Special Investment Region in Gujarat, Shendra Bitkin Industrial Area in Maharashtra, Vikram Udyog Puri in Madhya Pradesh, Greater Noida Industrial Area in NCR, Uttar Pradesh. A plug and play system attracts both MSME companies as well as large companies because of reduced entry barriers and improved project readiness. Through BHAVYA scheme, the government aims to generate 1.5 million jobs. It is also an attempt to strengthen the domestic supply chains through cluster-based development. What is cluster-based development? It means grouping many related industries and suppliers in one geographic area so that they can share infrastructure, skills, supply chain links, etc. For example, China's industrial hub work on this cluster-based development. Even though the schemes look promising, if it fails in proper execution, then past mistakes are bound to be repeated. For example, in some parts of Karnataka, only about 25% of the allotted units are operational due to poor connectivity, weak governance, regulatory delays, and lack of demand. In the past, industrial parks faced different challenges like delays in synchronizing internal infrastructure with external network, which means that a park's internal infrastructure like roads, power, water, etc. may be ready, but the park underperforms because it is not properly connected on time to external networks like highways, freight rail corridors, and ports. Also, the firms face bottlenecks in accessing reliable power, water, and digital connectivity, and these raise operating costs and reduce the competitiveness, because of which the companies came to the industrial park in the first place. That advantage is gone for them. Now, BHAVYA schemes tries to address these challenges. The scheme emphasizes on ensuring seamless last mile connectivity through integration with PM GatiShakti that would reduce the logistics cost and improve competitiveness. Reliable power, water, and digital infrastructure supported by features such as underground utility corridors. What you see here is a underground utility corridor where all the sewage, water supply, electricity all come through one common place instead of digging repeatedly. PM GatiShakti, it is a master plan that ties together roads, rails, ports, airports, waterways, mass transport, and logistics so that people and goods move faster and cheaper. It is basically a plan where the data will be taken from different ministries and different states and union territories to show where new roads, rails, ports and factories are being planned so that they don't overlap or conflict. It ensures that a factory in an industrial park can ship goods via road, rail, port and ship with minimal delay or cost, making Indian manufacturers more globally competitive. While allotting the lands in the park, the government must ensure that priority is given to high quality investment ready proposals so that taxpayers' money is not wasted, and it should also promote sector specific clustering in areas such as electronics, textiles, pharmaceuticals and green manufacturing. In summary, if the scheme is properly executed, it would deepen the country's manufacturing base, attract investment and create jobs at scale. Thank you.